Step 1. Drilling the hole. First, drill a hole and check the width of the crack. If the crack width is larger than the diameter of the packer, drill a hole 5 to 10 centimeters away from the crack at a 45-degree angle. The drilling depth should be approximately 1/3 to 1/2 of the concrete thickness. Step 2. Installing the packer. Install the packer into the drilled hole and tighten it securely using a T-handle wrench. Step 3. Injection grouting. Start the grouting process by closing the valve first. Connect the nozzle to the packer, then turn on the machine. When the pressure gauge reaches between 350 and 400, open the valve and begin injecting the grout. Continue injecting until grout starts to come out from the packer, the drilled hole, or the crack itself. Then close the switch. Disconnect the switch and move on to the next hole to continue the grouting process.